With some avocado, it'll be perfect. And we're gonna taste how you don't even need a knife, to be honest, but if you wanna be fancy. I'm a French girl from Haiti, so I'm fancy. Oh my god. That's my favorite. Oh. Wow. That's my best quiche, honestly. Better than the French. That's the beauty to have multicultural. They teach me in school to make this kind of quiche in France, the French way, and I add my Haitian Caribbean flavor in it, and it makes it just wow. I'm telling you, when I open a restaurant here, I'm taking all your customer away. French mixed with Haiti, it's just take over. Not only French, we're gonna have more. We're gonna have collaboration from the Middle East, my friend and I. We're taking over. So guys, this is the best food ever. I just came from vacation, so I don't have a lot of ingredient to make my salad, but you could put some cherry tomatoes, cucumber, spinach, coconut, some slices of coconut, almond, and then put some peanut in it. Voilà, votre quiche lorraine avec de la salade fraîche. On va appeler salade verte, de la vinaigrette faite à la maison. Et voilà, je vous en prie, bon appétit. Bien sûr, à moi. Je vais terminer ces quiches. Cette quiche, on dit la quiche. Je vais tout